My dear students and my viewers, let us revise the chapter indices or exponent for your coming half yearly exam. Let me tell some theorem related to it. If A is multiplied m times, what is the thing? Result will come a to the power m. If anything power 0, the answer is what? 1. If it is given a to the power minus n, you have to write 1 by a to the power n. Okay? If negative power given, you can make it positive by making reciprocal. And one more thing, nth root means a to the power 1 by n. This one is square root, means power is 1 by 2. And this one is cube root, power is 1 by 3. Fourth root means a to the power 1 by 4. Here a is base and this is fourth root. It is called fourth root. This is cube root. This is square root. I am discussing about the basic properties related to indices. Okay. Let us go next one. Let me explain the properties of laws of indices. For all real numbers a and b and all rational numbers m and n, we have a to the power m into a to the power n. The power is added. In case of multiplication base set, then power is added a to the power m plus n. A to the m divided by a to the n. In case of division, power is subtracted, means a to the power m minus n if base is same. Now third one, a to the power m whole to the power n. This will be a to the power mn. Next fourth one, ab whole to the power n means a to the power n into b to the power n. If given a by b whole to the power n, this will be a to the power n by b to the power n. If it is negative power given a to the power minus n, that means 1 by 2 to the n, where a should not be equal to 0. Suppose it is given a by b whole to the power minus n, then if you make it reciprocal of this fraction, then it will be power will be positive. Okay. Next one, a to the power m equal to a to the power n. If it is given like this, base same, that means power should be equal, m into n. And if base not equal but power equal given, then also a equal to b. There is a basic property related to indices or exponents. Let's go to the exercise directly. I am going to exercise. I am doing this exercise from the book R.S. Agarwal. Okay, this is the book is Mathematics for class 9, R.S. Agarwal. Okay, this chapter belongs to 7, 8, 9. Okay, see the question what is given, evaluate. There are number 1, there are 9 questions given. I am solving one by one just to see. See, the chapter name is indices or exponent, exercise 8 from the book R.S. Agarwal for ISC board. Okay, ICC board, ICC board. This chapter is not only ICC board, CBSE board or new state board also it is present. Very, very interesting chapter. All the theorems related I already discussed. For revision purpose, I am doing this chapter again, repeating this exercise from different books. Though I have completed your prescribed books of the school books, I am doing from the R.S. Agarwal book. Question number 1, evaluate. Number 1, first part it is given 125 whole to the power 1 by 3, power given 1 by 3. How to do this one? First of all, you have to see 125 means I can write here 5 into 5 into 5 whole to the power 1 by 3 means 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. Power is 3 and 1 by 3 cancel out. What left here? 5 to the power 1 means 5. This is the answer. Second part. See, second part question given 8 to the power 2 by 3. 8 means 2 cube means 2 is multiplied 3 times, the answer will be 8. Now C3 cancel, what left here? This 3 will be cancelled, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the 2 means 4, 2 into 2. Second part also completed. For your revision, I am doing this chapter for the half yearly exam. Third part question given 1 by 5 whole to the power minus 2 given. See, here negative power given. So what is the main thing? Make it positive by reciprocal of this fraction. 1 by 5 means I have write 5 by 1 whole square. 5 by 1 means 5 square, which is equal to 25. 5 into 5 means 25. Next, fourth part. Fourth part question given 16 to the power minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. First of all, 16 means you have to factorize, means 2 to the power 4. If 2 is multiplied 4 times, then it will be 16. Okay. Now this 4 cancel, what left? 2 to the power minus 3. How it makes positive power? You have to write 1 by 2 cube, making fraction. And 1 by 2 cube means 2 is multiplied 3 times, that means 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. Next, fifth part of this number. Fifth part given 32 whole to the power minus 4 by 5. 32 means 2 to the power 5, means 2 is multiplied 5 times and answer will be 35. A power is 4 by 5. This power 5 cancel, what left here? 2 to the power minus 4. Here negative power coming. How will make it positive power? You will make 1 by 2 to the power 4, means 1 by 16. 2 is multiplied 4 times. In this way, number 1, 5 parts completed. There are 5 questions of number 1 complete. Let us go next number. Next 6th part question given 8 by 125 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. First of all, you will have to make it positive power. How will make? This will be 125 by 8 whole to the power 1 by 3. By reversing the fraction, then power will be positive. 125 means 5 cube, means 5 by 2 whole cube I can write directly, and total to the power 1 by 3. 5 by 2 whole cube means 5 multiplied 3 times, it will give 125. If 2 is multiplied 3 times, it will come 8. Now this 3 and 1 by 3 cancel out. What is left? Final answer will be 5 by 2. This is the answer. Next number, 7th part of number 1. 7th part question given minus 27 whole to the power 2 by 3. First of all, you see minus 27, if you factor, this will be minus 3 whole cube. If you multiply minus 3 times, that will be give you minus 27. Now this power and this power cancel out. What left here? Minus 3 whole square. If you multiply minus 3 2 times, that means minus 3 into minus 3, that will be give plus 9. In this way, 7th part also completed. Next come 8th part of number 1. Question given like this. 8th part question given 0.001 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. First of all, you make it fraction. 0.001 means 1 by 1000 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. How will make it positive power? Means 1000 by 1, then this power will be positive. 1000 by 1 means 1000, means 10 cube whole to the power 1 by 3. 10 cube means 10 is multiplied 3 times, that will be 1000. 3 cancel. What left? 10 to the power 1, which is equal to 10. Next, 9th part, last part of number 1. Question given like this. 0.027 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. 0.027 means 27 by 1000 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. How will make it positive power? This will be 1000 by 27. This will be 3 by 2. Okay. After that, 1000 means 10 whole cube and 27 is 3 whole cube, that means 10 by 3 total whole cube whole to the power 3 by 2. Finally, what will get 3? Sorry, this is 2 by 3 question given. 2 by 3. Slight mistake written. Here minus 2 by 3 converted to positive power, reversing the fraction, this will be 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. Now this 3 cancel, what left here? 10 by 3 whole square. 10 by 3 whole square means 10 is multiplied 2 times, that will be 100. 100 by 3 square means 9. 100 by 9. You can write mixed fraction also. 11, 9 is 99, 11, 1 by 9. This is the answer of this question. In this way, number 1, all the parts completed today. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Next, do more sums.